Push through.
Launching missile.
My crab, get close.
Drone going up.
We should fight through.
Looks like 4-1 arcade. Smile. Fucking run that bitch down.
They got me.
Good kill.
Bomb down.
Spike down.
What?
One
This guy's fucking
enemy
nice.
remaining.
No. No, it is Watcher. This guy's
Missile
very
deployed.
good line.
Light munition.
Can't see a damn thing, bro.
I'm fine up here.
Drone going up.
Can you reach up the most? Miss smoke?
Breach here, breach here.
Launching missile.
You're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
Breach, Vice.
That's a kill.
Grabbing arcade.
Yeah, just grabbing orbs up by me.
Alright, you grabbed me, man.
One enemy remaining. Spike down A.
That's what following the rules gets you.
I'm pretty sure that's Xander's boy, no? So, 101.
Launching missile. Light munition.
Reloading.
There's gonna be a lot on you,
Launching
Ice. I'm
missile.
sorry, bro.
One enemy remaining. Spike down
He's in this one.
A.
It's hooked.
Don't use on him. I'll kill him.
Left side.
Silly smoke.
Missile deployed.
Did they stun?
Oh,
Okay.
space.
Yeah.
Rockets.
Missile deployed.
It's alright.
One enemy remaining.
Light
Fuck
munition.
these kids. Okay,
Yo, yo.
that's fair. Low, nice.
It's a
Like,
good
where's my stun going, man?
Missile deployed.
No.
Nothing. Running up arcade.
Looks good.
Prepare for hellfire.
They got me.
It's not ideal.
Spike down B.
Alright, missile if he plants slant.
Missile deployed.
Spike planted.
Oh, he planted there. I'm gonna grab.
Locating target.
Post gen's good. I think 1 B main.
Oh, that's alright.
Hard.
Fine.
Hard.
Last player standing.
Both.
Bingo.
Light munition.
Should be both. He flashed from there. But we're
One enemy remaining.
Oh my god.
Don't interrupt me again. Launching missile.
Bombed him, man. Only off it. I'll pop cages, they pop on you. Only arcade.
I think they're going underground for orbs, yeah? Yo, guys, I don't think it can be B. I think it has to be all A main, yeah?
Come on, 108 on the tail. 1 HP, 1 HP, 1
Alright, he can't be behind you, Jay. You're good. Just let him try. Dude, I gotta pee so bad. Holy fuck. Get a bot I can.
Both.
Multiple enemies in.
40?
I'm on site.
Oh, 40 breach. Do not ult.
30 seconds left. One enemy remaining. Spike
Missile
down A.
deployed. Light munition. Complacency kills.
Smoke too.
Launching missile.
Flash me, man.
Last man.
He's going to ult right now, I think.
Adapt or die!
This is how it ends. Missile deployed. I'm all out.
Okay, one is bountiful.
What'd you get?
Rise. Breach was a tower.
Where'd I die from? Jen?
Go ahead. Stand your
planted.
ground.
One enemy remaining.
Oh. Look at Waylay ulted.
I'm gonna take that
Launching
again,
missile.
Nothing, amen.
Living.
It's stun A, right?
It's gonna be a drop,
Yeah.
I think. Drop it. Drop slot.
I'm gonna play on site then.
Launching smoke.
I mean, they gotta make something happen, you know what I'm saying?
Spike down A.
Both lurking B. They're grabbing orbs again. No, he's not allowed.
Missile
I
deployed.
missiled him.
Live
Better
munition.
call Saul's holding down the mid.
One enemy remaining.
Let's go.
Launching missile.
Smoke's B.
Off your feet.
113 on breach.
Missile deployed.
Three tower.
Grenade is live.
One enemy remaining.
He's
Three,
going
man,
A.
dude.
He might fucking walk back, trust. Stay.
Yo, Cypher, check your chat. Get out of there.
Welcome to
Tap
Earth. What
cam,
language did you
Cypher.
speak?
Yeah,
top
Cypher.
down.
Tap cam, Cypher.
Cypher, tap.
Bro, I opened it on my iPhone. It didn't work, bro. I'm sorry.
He's B.
B, tap, tag him.
Nice, let's go.
Missile deployed.
Smoke's B.
Missile deployed. Hellfire. Drone going out.
Main from.
Yo, dish.
Market. Tower.
Arcade.
I mean, arcade tower.
Last player standing.
Fuck you, Xander!
Spike planted.
Can you lose at least?
Oh, I made smoke.
Mark the B. He's mark B. Mark B
Cross
right
them
now.
in. Rolling when they buy soul.
They're not gonna be able to come in, guys. I think you should just stay away.
Adapt or die!
All missiles away.
Wanna throw away,
Real or no?
Yes.
Kick. Oh, bombs out.
Live munition.
Spike down B.
Heavy on the right side.
Tower, 80 on Teo, 26 Waylay. B main, tower,
Spike
planner.
planted. Last player
Oh my,
standing.
how are we up 9-1 the way my jet just peeked out?
You wanna brim out the blood?
They just don't know how to go anywhere else. Are they coming
You ever
out?
gonna peek it or no? You fucking
You
pussy.
getting it?
Joining edge, coming here.
This is how we
I got you,
end.
brother. I
80,
don't
80.
have
80 well, 80 well.
All missiles
Oh, we're
away.
going outside.
Grenade is live.
Spike down A.
Yeah.
One enemy remaining.
That's-
Last
One
player
more.
standing.
I'm fucking Thanos right now! Please move!
Spike planted.
Bomb they made. One swinging with it.
Are we sprinting, big dog? I'm down, Tether. Or I'm
Rushing from side.
This time, DP man.
He's got a slow.
Waylay, main.
Slow.
Missile deployed.
I think they go through this, bro. They gave up for sure. Nice move. Chill.
Gonna read A or no?
Not really, but fuck it. I think we
in,
don't. I think
smoke
we
away.
walk back.
I hear let you rewalk to here. I'll make noise.
Okay, Vice is gonna be B. We can run careful close right.
Saw him.
There's two of me. There's two of me. Fuck.
Vice should be here.
He's out on B. What above the vines?
I agree.
30 seconds left.
He's on B.
Last player standing. Spike down B.
He's on B and he's not popping the vines. That guy's a beast low key.
It's all you.
What, vines is one.
I'm swapping.
Good reset out of us, bro. Probably pushed main.
Yeah.
Trip the wall.
Just flash still up.
I'm not sure.
I'm pretty sure if they didn't
yeah,
push
it
it,
is,
man,
it
they
is.
have to push arcade, guys. Just I think we just actually wait.
How about that?
They don't know anything.
You didn't shoot his
I'm about to go find out if they push that.
Okay.
If I
No
swing
smoke.
this, I'm going to die.
Did you just pop your... Oh, it's fine.
I can missile for you guys.
Hold on.
I think
Go
I
up on the... You missile the stairs?
Yeah.
Launching missile.
I gave you a gun.
He's hard clear me. He's walking up arcade, walking behind you guys.
30 seconds left.
Through.
Stand aside.
Arcade, man.
One
no,
enemy
no.
Let's
remaining.
get outlaw, outlaw.
Holy shit, outlaw, yeah. You can play for tower rounds over.
Enemy.
Yeah, I'm
Reloading.
crossing our...
Spike planted.
crossing our
He,
kid.
he jumped to...
Left side gen, left side gen.
I'll get close to the
That's
wall,
right.
swing off.
Thrifty.
Nice round, Bo.
Where I come from.
Yeah, I'm a dash. I'm a dash. The door.
Drone going out.
Show me a target.
He's in the spawn smoke.
Let's look your
All
smokes,
missiles
brother.
away.
Do something,
Push
brother.
around you guys, aim in, aim in.
Mag munition.
Shooting, watch out.
2 I mean. Brim and Waylay. Linked breach.
Enemy spotted A. Enemy down. My
Find him.
ult is
I can't find me with you. It's super hard. I'm fucking can't see anything. Off me. One sand, one close right me.
I have to wait these smokes out. I'm stuck. I really can't do anything.
That's fine. I'm waiting smokes.
35 Waylay.
Last player
35 and
standing.
close right me.
Spike down. One enemy remaining.
Left side, I think now.
Thrifty.
20 and 3.
Let me mans. Find someone for me.
Cross me, man.
Locating target.
no
Can't see
distraction.
anything.
I got Brim.
All missiles away.
On site. Oh, you think it's like that?
In this smoke.
Grenade is lying.
Slow down, Brim.
One more.
One enemy
It's
remaining.
me.
Last player standing. Spike down B.
Holly.
What's the call?
I don't know. It didn't say anything,
Wait up,
bro. I'll be
wait up,
honest, I
let's
gotta
wait
pee
up.
so bad.
Put it up.
Mag munition.
Stunned us.
Missile deployed.
Gunner.
One more.
Launching missile.
Last player
Sorry, honey.
standing. One enemy
My
remaining.
ultimate
Keep
is
our
ready.
loss.
I'm actually Thanos right now, so I don't know why, but I'm down.
planted. Drone going out. This is how it ends.
Yes! Let's go!
Oh,
Let's go!
I think we avoided him in right now.
That's probably a good idea. I don't know why.
Jack, can you stop making noise, man?
Brimmo. Oh my god, we're all
my God.
fucking dead. Yeah, let me grab this bitch. Go towards B.
Drone going out.
Dim beacon down.
Why? It looks like they hella faked. I can't lie, bro.
Launching smoke.
What that mean? He wants to come back?
Yeah, I think it might be good.
Better Call Saul's dead.
Holy shit, the entire family's there. Yo, can you delay with a brim ball or anything, Jen?
Off your feet!
Oh, fuck.
Brim ball.
Prepare for hellfire!
One enemy remaining.
Holy shit,
What
Jen.
the fuck?
Attackers win.
You want a fairy tale ending?
What a game.
They love
Everyone's just fucking walking on water.
story.